Hey beauties and cuties, thank you so much for coming to hang out with me today on my channel. Today I'm going to be showing everyone a variation of my morning routine, and I'll start out with my skincare and makeup. And if you love Juvia's Place as much as I do, please be sure to comment below and let me know what your favorite products are from their brand. I don't know if you can relate, but makeup is so therapeutic for me. It allows me to release creative energy. It allows me to make sure that I look good so that I can feel good and do good. And it just also gives me the power to express myself in a way that I choose. And if you love makeup, please make sure to like this video. I use the Zulu palette to apply my blush. What do you guys use for blush? Let me know in the comments. And my body so buttery and brown. And for breakfast, I'll be having this delicious banana nut bread that my fiance made for me, and this green tea almond milk. Then I go somewhere quiet to journal and figure out my goals and tasks for the day. And then I indulge in yoga to release tension from my body. Another one of my favorite creative hobbies is a DIY photo shoot. I love to shoot my own makeup looks. Thank you guys so much for tuning in.